Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download HappyMod on iOS. So first up, HappyMod is designed exclusively for Android devices and is not officially available on iOS. Any website or video claiming to offer direct HappyMod download for iOS is likely to be a scam or distribute malware, as iOS does not support the APK file format used by Android apps. For users seeking modded apps on iOS, there are alternative platforms and methods, though they often require different installation processes like side-loading IPA files or using third-party app stores, and carry potential security threats. Some HappyMod alternatives. There are apps and platforms like Aptoid, AC Market, and Tutu app that offer a similar experience for iOS users. Sideloading. This involves manually installing the app's IPA file onto your iOS device, often requiring the use of a computer program and potentially an Apple ID. Jailbreaking. While not recommended for most users due to security concerns, jailbreaking an iOS device removes Apple's restrictions and allows for more customization and the installation of third-party applications. To ensure safety and avoid potential viruses or security vulnerabilities, it is generally recommended to stick to the official Apple App Store for all iOS app downloads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.